Unveiling the essence of in parting. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we are going to unlock the meaning and use of a commonly used but often misunderstood phrase, in parting. This phrase is rich in emotion and context, and understanding it can greatly enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get started. In parting is a phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or even during heartfelt goodbyes. It refers to the moment or action of leaving or saying goodbye. But there's more to it than just the basic definition. It's often used to express final thoughts or feelings as one person leaves another. To fully grasp this, let's break it down. In suggests a condition or situation. Parting is the act of leaving or separating from someone. When we use them together, we're referring to something that happens during the act of leaving or at the moment of separation. Now, let's look at how to use in parting in everyday sentences. 1. Farewell use. In parting, I would like to thank everyone for their support. 2. Advice giving. In parting, remember to stay true to yourself. 3. Sharing a sentiment. She gave him a warm smile in parting. Each of these examples shows the phrase used to convey a final message, piece of advice, or emotion as someone leaves. The phrase, in parting, can be modified and used in various ways to suit different contexts. For instance, as a noun, the parting was difficult, but we knew it was necessary. With different prepositions, upon our parting, she gifted me a book. Cultural contexts. In many cultures, parting ceremonies are significant events. These variations show the flexibility of the phrase and how it can be adapted to fit different situations. Parting has always held a special place in literature and culture, often symbolizing more than just a goodbye. It can represent the end of an era. The series finale brought a sense of parting to the longtime fans. A significant change. Graduation felt like a sweet sorrow, a joyful yet somber parting from youth to adulthood. Recognizing the deeper implications of parting helps in appreciating its use in various artistic and cultural expressions. In parting, I hope this session has shed light on the nuanced use of in parting and how you can apply it to your conversations and writings. Remember, it's not just about saying goodbye. It's about the emotions, advice, and memories we leave behind. Until next time, keep practicing and see how you can incorporate today's lesson into your English usage. Goodbye, and happy learning!